cold start after carburetor overhaul. Engine, cool to the touch, has not run at all. I'll put my hand on the engine, cool to the touch. Wide open throttle, slow throttle, wide open throttle, and the off switch works. There was some crud in the main jet, and I set the pilot circuit fuel mixture screw to a 1/4 turn richer than stock. That should make it run a little better on cold starts, and it should also make the engine run a little cooler on low power draw. When it's on the pilot circuit, it'll be a little richer, so the engine will run a little cooler that way. So there you have it.